Yeah.
I'm the final.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
We still have one more, Miss Gita, because she failed. Okay. Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Today we are going to do the evaluations
Yeah.
from homework, yeah.
Yes,
HOTS. Health education. Okay, please.
What material do they need to play the game? The material they need to play the game is candles and lights.
They who, you mean, Miss?
Huh?
What materials do they need? They who?
They who?
They refers to whom?
To Eddie and his friend.
What is the name of his friend?
That is, I forgot the name of his friend. That is Eddie and his friend. There are two students. There are two boys playing off that fire. They are in make fire.
Eddie
with
and?
his friend.
Yeah, what is the name of his friend?
Eddie. I think the story didn't mention his name.
Are you
It's
sure?
only Eddie.
Are you sure?
Yes, Miss.
Eddie and Fred.
Fred, yeah.
Okay.
Eddie and Fred.
Next. So what do they need?
What do the children like under the
Number
bed?
one. So what do they need, Miss, to play the game?
Excuse me?
What do they need to play the game? Just now, what did you say?
They need to play game.
Yeah, what do they need?
They need
What
candles
materials?
and lights. Candle and lights.
Okay.
What do the children light under the bed? The children light a candle under the bed. Who light 5 candles first? Eddie light 5 candles first. What should you do if you see a friend playing with a lighter? I will stop them. I will want them not to stop, not to play that lighter, and I will also ask report to another person to remind them. How many candles do they light? They light 10 candles.
Bahasa Indonesia, Miss, hot, ya?
Yeah. Yang dimaksud kata hubung adalah
Enggak, kan, Miss.
why it's not that?
Ya, dah.
Yang dimaksud kata hubung adalah kata yang digunakan untuk menghubungkan dua kata. Misalnya kata dan tetapi juga dan kemudian apa saja 3 contoh kata hubung? 3 contoh kata hubung adalah dan, tetapi, kemudian juga.
Boleh kasih contohnya, Miss? Dalam kalimat?
Contohnya adalah Malin Kundang adalah anak yang durhaka karena perbuatannya, dan akhirnya dia kena kutuk menjadi batu.
Tetapi?
Menggunakan kata dan di
Ya,
situ.
kalau
Tetapi Malin Kundang adalah contoh anak yang durhaka, tetapi dia adalah anak yang dalam kehidupannya termasuk kaya raya. Dia kaya raya, namun akhirnya tidak menganggap ibu kandungnya adalah ibunya sendiri.
Satu lagi, kata hubung tadi yang Miss bilang. Kemudian
Dan tetapi kemudian.
Kemudian, contohnya?
Kemudian, contoh, mereka bersenang-senang di pantai, kemudian mereka berenang di pantai.
Lanjut.
Oke. Apa kalimat tubuh Malin Kundang kaku dan berubah menjadi batu? Apa kata hubung yang digunakan? Kata hubung yang digunakan adalah dan. Apa fungsi kata hubung dan? Fungsi kata hubung adalah menghubungkan dua kalimat ataupun kata untuk membuat sesuatu lebih jelas.
Jadi nanti kalian akan belajar tentang maling kundang ya, Miss?
Iya, iya.
Ini boleh Miss ceritakan sedikit apa sih ceritanya ini?
Cerita tentang maling kundang adalah seorang anak. Kisah ini berasal dari provinsi Sumatera Barat, itu Minangkabau. Ceritanya ini sebenarnya cerita rakyat ya, yang ada pesan moral yang disampaikan di sini. Dia adalah seorang saudagar. Dia akhirnya pergi merantau dan menjadi seorang pedagang yang setelah dia menikah dia menjadi kaya raya. Setelah dia menikah menjadi pedagang yang kaya raya. Pada suatu hari dia bertemu dengan ibunya, namun dia tidak mengakui karena ibunya berpakaian sangat lusuh. Dia tidak mengakui itu adalah ibunya. Namun karena hati ibunya sedih, dia diperlakukan seperti itu. Akhirnya ibunya menyampaikan doa dan dia dikutuk menjadi batu.
Kenapa sedih, Miss?
Hah?
Kok sedih, Miss?
Ceritanya sedih.
Sedih ya. Oke, baik. Lanjut, Miss. Nomor 5 ya.
Berdasarkan teks bacaan halaman 191, apa yang diceritakan Mela ketika lomba bercerita? Dia menceritakan tentang kisah maling kundang.
Ya. English hot ya.
Yeah.
Okay.
What activities can we do at a lake? What can we do at a lake? What activities can we do at? What's under this picture? At the lake we can do fishing. Is that picture? I think there should be pictures.
Yeah. Why don't you put?
We can. Miss Agustina forgot to. I think in this certain picture here. This is we can go do fishing at the lake.
Okay.
Can I build a tree house? Yes. Yes, you can. You can build a tree house.
Yeah. So how is that, Miss? For primary itu kan this one should put the picture ya.
Yep. Can ask to
Can you
to edit.
please send directly the revision letter?
Yeah.
Yeah. I will ask RPE whether they have printed or haven't. So I mean, like you revise directly.
No,
Send.
Miss Aksa, I did LP, she did the
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, Miss, continue, Miss.
Number 3, can I build a tree house? Yes, I can build a tree house. Are there any eggs in the fridge? Yes, there are any eggs in the fridge. Have zebra got strip? Yes, it has. Yes, it has.
It?
Huh? Number 3.
Are you sure it?
Have zebra got stripes? Yes, zebra has stripes.
Look at that. Zebras. How will you
Oh,
choose?
sorry. Oh, yeah. Zebras have stripes.
What will you change that? The subject. Zebras becomes
Zebras
become.
yeah, this is plural. More than one
Yeah.
zebra.
What will you do? What will you say?
Still have.
Yeah. What will you change that? Zebras become.
Zebra become. What do you mean?
Just now you say it. It was wrong, right?
So zebra is
Zebras become. Subject pronoun, Miss. If it, impossible, right?
they
Yeah.
they
Have.
What is your favorite vacation activity? My favorite vacation activity is camping.
Okay. Next. PPKN ya. Ya, PPKN please. The last, I think. Hot.
Apa dua hal yang kamu dua hal yang dengan yang kelamaan dan apa yang kamu lakukan supaya tidak layu menghilangnya dengan air. Apa yang selalu Pak Edi setelah jadi siswa selesai, yang dilakukan Pak Edi setelah jadi siswa selesai adalah membersihkan lingkungan sekolah. Banyak siswa menggunakan sampah di halaman. Apakah sikap siswa tersebut berhasil lingkungan? Sikap dalam menjaga sampah adalah sikap yang tidak peduli pada lingkungan. Di mana kita harus peduli lingkungan? Kita harus peduli pada lingkungan rumah, sekolah, dan masyarakat.
Chemist book. I have opened it, I think. The blue, no. Yeah, this one. This. Yeah. Okay, please explain about this, Miss.
This chapter 19, it's about fire. This is Italy, AD and Fred. Here is Fred teaching a new game to Fred about using candles and light. For sure that it is forbidden. It is not good for you to play this because it could be dangerous. It can make fire at your home. Here, he asked us to ask some candles and to light those. And then, Fred also
just explain that you are in the class.
Oh yeah. So this story about playing game with candles and light, and then suddenly what happened is that the cover of bed sheet is burned because of they play that candles, they light up the candles. So what is next? Here on the story, we see that finally there's a steam lizard here, a fireman that can make those fingers. There's a steam lizard that can help them. So the fire will not burn the house. So that's why this is also as a moral teaching for you not to play candles and light. It is dangerous and you cannot fire.
Okay, so as you explained just now that the fire is dangerous, right? But in some ways, I mean, like in another condition, it can be also useful for us, right? In our daily life, right? So why fire can be both useful and dangerous in human life? Can you give the examples as well?
Can be useful, can be
dangerous. How fire can be both useful and dangerous in human life? And can you give the examples as well to support that?
Here the both candles and light, it can be also useful where let's break out in the evening times for children that light candle and light. So it is useful, but it can be also harmful if we play the candles for them something. For example, that's like in the story about Eddie and Freddie. They use candles for playing. It is not recommended for you to try that. It is very dangerous and can make fire in your house.
Can you give another function of fire also in our life that can be good or bad?
Fire exactly is very useful for us. We can we can cook, yeah. We can remember using that fire. Also, we can also burn that litter which is can be burned, such as like paper, things that we can burn. But in these days, uh, we must be managed wisely how you use that. This is for useful things you can use for only for adults. For children, it must be always that observe, always the supervise by another person when they are playing that fire, when they play the candle. This has been lit actually, but because it is keeping a fire, so that fire only can be used for an adult person.
Okay, so let's say there is a small incident or maybe the small fire in the kitchen. So how will you explain to the students to handle it, to overcome that?
For the first time, if the students see there is a fire in the kitchen, you must first call an adult person, call Papa, Mommy, or whatever is there. Then you must call an adult person to help first. If you cannot handle it, you cannot do that. You must ask another person first.
Okay, let's say you are the parent. So what will you do, Miss?
For sure, if that is from because the gas, so we should. That's the way how to take it off the gas. If it is more really dangerous things, you can call the fire extinguisher man first. Or the worst thing also we provide the extinguisher at home. First.
So let's say it's a small fire. You have how to say that?
Fire extinguisher.
Like for example, like it has been like a small fire, but you have turned off the button, for example, right? I mean, like there is still a fire there. So what will you do to the fire to stop the fire? To turn it off? The yeah.
There is
How will you cover it?
firstly we can take a very thick cloth and you put water, so many water inside that cloth, and then you cover that fire, you cover with the wet cloth. I think it can be make the fire stop.
Can make the fire stop.
Yeah.
Okay, so you will not put water directly.
No, okay.
Why?
Make it
Bigger, yeah.
make it bigger.
Worse, yeah.
We should put
Because we need to remove the oxygen, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah.